clean more. I'll clean this more, hon.
Oh, you're cleaning the outside.
Yeah. I have to clean this here.
Mm.
Initial cleaning is the stone,
Yeah?
and the secondary cleaning is with sand.
Really?
Yeah, that's how I clean the pot, the kettle, when I was young.
Oh.
Not always with rocks, because it might make this one thin.
You can use a bigger rock.
No, it's okay. This is what I can only hold for this year. Now, I use the sand. Look, it's whiter.
I don't think it's ever been cleaned, frankly.
Yeah, they never cleaned this. That's why I'm cleaning this spot. Dahil hindi pa nila nalinisan eh. Ginamit lang namin, pero syempre, kailangan. Ayokong magdala ng gamit from nanay's house. 1 month lang naman kasi kami dito eh. Right, Han?
1 month, right next to the beach. I've only been swimming once. I should get into that water right now.
Ito yung paglinis namin dati, no, maybe 25 years ago or 30 years ago because I'm already 42 years old. Right, Han?
Yeah.
So during elementary days and high school days, ganito talaga yung paglinis namin ng kaldero at mga kawali. Sige, malinis na, hindi na siya maitim. Ito uli, pero natakot ako baka magkabuuan ba. So, dito banda. Kasi hindi akin to eh. Tuwing luto namin, lalo na si Al, nagre-reklamo, maitim na yung mga namin kamay. Oh, thanks for watching!
Wait, is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.